someone who's considering doing one of our retreats to Esperance, I would say just do it. So on our retreat, we're going to arrive at our accommodation. We're going to do a beautiful mandala with flowers and a welcome circle. From there, we're going to head down and we're going to do a hike with a photography lesson. We're going to look out over the pristine bays of Esperance and take some incredible photographs, learn how to use your equipment. We'll do daily yoga morning and night with meditation to finish off the day. Bubbles and Brushes is an interesting experience. There is a little artist within all of us. We tend to bring that out with some sparkling wine. The next morning, we'll go on a cruise with Esperance Cruises. Wildlife spotting, snorkeling, enjoying the natural beauty of the area. We will finish off the sound meditation at sunset at Stonehenge, which make it so special.